So here we are guys at complete package townhouse unit. And guys, as you can see at our signage, the lot area of our townhouse unit is 46 square meter and the floor area is 44 square meter. Our complete package townhouse unit is same with our semi-complete package. The exterior design of our townhouse units, both package are the same. And you will see the trademarks on it, the stoneworks or what we call crazy cut. Also the concrete canopies and the modern design itself overall. Their only difference is the interior design, yung pagkakatapos ng loob ng townhouse units natin, both complete package and semi-complete package.
Kasi may complete and complete package, 240,000 ang difference nila. So, yung wall natin sa first floor is fully painted wall na at saka sa second floor. Also, yung kitchen countertop natin is naka-granite na siya. May hanging cupboards or hanging cabinets, built-in cabinets. Yan, very yung loob. Ayan. Oh, this is nice. Parehas lang yung sukat nito. This is 1.3 meters ang height. So ayan. Also, ayan, naka-analog sliding window rin siya. Tapos, 2 square meter yung sukat ito. And before I forgot, itong ating floor is naka-ceramic tiles na. Also, the second floor, naka-ceramic tiles na rin yan. Ayan, guys. So, itong ating, ayan, yung ilaw pala. Nagulat. Ayan siya, maliwanag, rather. This is the washroom. Sabi nga nila washroom. Ayan, sabi ko kasi toilet and bath. So, may lavatory, sink, with a sliding analog window. Ayan. So, this is our washroom.
So guys, this is our washroom or toilet and bath. Before we go in our second floor, makikita ninyo ang ating stairs dito. Ito ay may railings na wood and metal. Then yung stairs natin, naka-ceramic tiles na siya na wooden design. Then yung lighting natin is naka two-way na. Kung gusto niyo siya lagyan ng chandelier or i-modify ng other interior design po, pwede naman. And our stairway is already concrete and it's perfect. So guys, this is our second floor. We have here 2 bedrooms and nandito tayo ngayon sa ating first room. This is very nice. With built-in cabinets na tayo sa second floor, inclusion natin yan sa ating complete package. Yan. Napakaganda. Actually, our flooring is also in wooden style or design, pero ceramic tiles po siya. Napaka-perfect ng ating design sa ating complete package townhouse unit. Pati ang ating partition or division of our second floor is gypsum board or hardiplex. Let's go to our second room of our second floor. Our overall rooms in our complete package townhouse unit is ready to move in na. We have here analog sliding window. Then makikita nyo yung view dito sa ating front yard na ating townhouse. It was very nice. Also, fully painted na rin ang ating wall sa second floor. It is ceramic tiles but wooden design. Also included pa rin yung ating built-in cabinet sa complete package ng ating townhouse unit. It was so nice. Ayan, makikita ninyo ang partition din natin or division sa ating second room is also gypsum board or hardiflex. So if you are in hurry to avail or to have a property, you can move in anytime after approval of Pag-ibig. If you avail this townhouse unit through Pag-ibig loan or mortgage for installment, or if ever you have excess money kung kasya, then a little process, then makaka-move in kayo kaagad. You can contact me through call or text caption below, guys. For schedule in our house tour or reservation, thank you for watching in our complete package townhouse unit. This is your sales agent, Mr. Alexis Publico of Innobounds Realty Corporation, and I'm presenting you our Terrazza Marta Model Townhouse Unit. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys!